everybody. Today we are planting black raspberries. My mom taught me that if you dig holes and put the raspberries or whatever into the holes, and then you put cardboard down and put mulch on top, by the next year the ground underneath the cardboard will be nice and soft. So, yeah, and the cardboard keeps the weeds down too. So this is what we're doing. We are at the last stage or whatever of planting them. We're putting mulch on top, and when we're done with that, this will be done or whatever. We're done planting them. So.
But you have to be quick,
Black raspberries are actually very good to eat. Here's a picture of some. They are actually also healthier and they taste richer or better or something like that. And they have more like calcium or it's more healthy for you or something like that than any other berry. So here's what it looks like when it's done. We don't just have red raspberries, we have gooseberries, we have yellow raspberries. We hope they're going to give us actual berries this year because last year they didn't really give anything. The gooseberries really didn't either. And then we have our red raspberries. They gave quite a bit last year. We're hoping they're going to give us a bunch this year too. And we have also our blackberries. They grow really well, and we always have a lot of those. It might be because they're growing on the sewer line, though. But yeah, we always have a lot of those. And they taste really good. And here is a raised bed that we just recently planted. I kind of forgot what was in there, what we planted in there. But we had to replant this section over here because I think like the frost got it or something. And we had to replant it. So we got some potting soil and we replanted that whole section. And over there's our mulch pile in our garden. I'll just go over there and show you. So we didn't exactly get our garden tilled yet because our tiller isn't working. We're getting it fixed though. It's getting fixed. So our mulch pile is for some reason really coarse this year. It actually has like wood pieces. Last year it was this really nice black, dark, soft stuff, whatever. Here's some of it. There's so little, it's kind of hard to see. And so here's our mulch pile. It's really coarse. Way different from what it was last year. It was over there by our barn, and my dad moved it over here. And during the process, I guess he got some rocks in it because there's a bunch of gravel over there. And right here is our strawberry bed. Yesterday we found one red strawberry. We might find another one. I have to look over it again to see if there's any more red strawberries, but we might see one. And let's see. I don't see one yet. Oh well. Oh wait, there's one. I see it right there. There's a nice red strawberry. But yeah, the red strawberry we found yesterday, Susanna ate. I just saw another strawberry. It was turning reddish. But anyway, last year we hoed out some of the strawberry plants to give these plants like more room to grow or something. And next year we were going to do something else with them too. But yeah, those are all the plants and stuff we have over here. Over there we have some fruit trees. There's 2 peach, 2 apple, and 1 cherry. They don't really give anything. But this year we saw like a few blossoms. I think it was on the peach tree. Or the apple, I can't really remember. Right here we have our grapes. And they didn't give anything yet. Over there's Malika's maple tree. He planted it last year from a maple seed. It's pretty tall now. That is the end of this helpful tips video. Thank you for watching though, and please subscribe to our channel and we will be making some more videos soon. So bye.